Good day, everyone. My name is Webster John de la Cruz, and today we will answering the NetACAD Module 7.3.6 Switch It. We're going to answer it. Okay. So before we start, I show my screen first. Unit. Saan na yun? I show my screen first. Okay. This one. No, in this problem, there's 7.3. Determine how to switch forward a frame based on the source MAC address and distance MAC address and information in the switch MAC table. Answer the question using the information provided. So first, we check the frame information here. Okay. So the source MAC address is 0A, is 1, and then the destination MAC address is 0B. Okay. So next, I look in the MAC table. So the table shows that a 0A is already learned on the FA1. So the switch does not need to add a new source MAC address. Okay. Then I check to the destination MAC MAC 0B. This one is the MAC table shows 0B is connected to the FA3. Okay. And since the destination is known, this is unicast frame. A switch forward known unicast frame only the specific port where the destination device is connected. Therefore, the frame will be forward only to FA3. Okay, this one. So for the okay. So kasi naman kasi FA3 sa so B yung destination MAC natin. Okay? So and then for the question 2 is the correct statement is the frame is unicast frame and will be sent to a specific port only. So this one, frame, unicast frame, and will be sent a specific port only. So we're going to check this one. Okay, check the problem. As this week, the problem is correct. And we're going to show another problem. Okay, for the next problem, the second problem is we going to answer it. Okay, for um for number 2, we see is the source MAC is 0C and the destination MAC is 0A. So when the switch is needs to forward the frame, it looks at the destinations of MAC address. And in this scenario, the frame destinations MAC is 0A. This one. So destinations na. So by checking in its MAC table, the switch says that the MAC address 0A is already mapped to the port of FA1. Okay, the 0A here. And I should check this. And then because the switch know exactly where the destinations device resides, it will forward the frame directly out of the port FA1. So we're going to answer the question number 1. So where will the switch forward the frame? For forward the frame, from explanation is this one, FA1. Okay. And then for question 2, when the switch forward the frame, which statements are true? Okay. We're going to answer it switch adds the source MAC address, which is currently not in the MAC address table. Yeah. Then why? Switches continues learn the locations of connected device by examining incoming traffic. The frame arriving at the switch has a source of MAC of 0C, and the diagram shows it entering via port FA5 because 0C is missing from the current MAC at MAC table. The switch will learn this new information ah, see information and add an entry mapping MAC 0C to the port FA5. Okay, so for the next, this is one again. Frame is a unique frame is a unique class frame and will be sent sent to specific port only. Yeah. So um why is that I choose Sarah chose? Yes. Ionica's frame is as message distinct for one specific device as opposed to a broadcast frame sent to everyone. Since the switch has an existing entry for the destination MAX 0 pointing to the port FA1, it does not need to flood the network. It will send the unicast frame inclusively out of that specific port. Okay, yeah. So, we're going to check it if tama ba or correct ba ito. Okay, check. This is correct. So, we're going to go in the next problem. It is, okay, for the problem 3 is, as you can see, it's the determine where is a frame goes. As you can see, the frame goes is switch always looks at the destination MAC address. Okay. So in the provide frame, the destination MAC is 0D here. Okay. And when the switch check its a current MAC table, it's find an existing entry showing that this device with MAC address 0D is connected to the port FA7. Okay, this one. And therefore, it's the will forward to the frame out of that specific port. So we're going to answer the question 1. So where will the switch forward the frame? So as you can see, the destination MAC is 0D. So we're going to, the 0D is connected to FA7. So that is will the forward the frame. Okay, FA7. So for question 2, when the switch forward the frame, which statement are true? So we're going to answer it. Number 1 is this one. Okay, switch add source MAC address, which is currently not in the MAC address table. Why? Switches activity learn the network topology by looking at the source of MAC. Source MAC. Okay? We going source of MAC. Source MAC. So this is 0A. So source MAC address. So if of incoming frame, this frame comes from source of MAX 0A. So entering truth port FA1 is showing by the arrow, okay? And then looking at the MAC table and the entry for FA1 is currently blank, okay? Because 0A is not in the table. Yeah. So, and then the switch will learn this and add an entry mapping max 0A to the port of FA1. Yeah. Then for the second, I chose it. This one only. Frame is a unicast frame and will be sent to specific port only. So why? Because the frame is destined for one specific device 0D. Okay? So it is a Unica's frame, since the switch already has the destination MAC 0T in the MAC table mapped to the port FA7. Yeah, it knows exactly where to send it. It is what it will forward the frame directly to FA7 without needing to flood it or flood to all other sport. Yeah. Okay. So that's all, everyone, for the tree problem. See, okay, we going to before we go into it, we check it if correct. Okay. Yeah, correct. So thank you everyone for your listening. That is all. Bye bye.